Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. So, to hit the road. Okay, hit the road, leave, go away, to leave a place, to begin travelling, to begin a trip. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'd love to stay, but I've got to hit the road. I've got to go. It's time for me to hit the road. It's time for me to go. Um, if I'm going to arrive before it gets dark, I'd better hit the road now. Okay, it's time for me to hit the road and start walking. Um, okay, so when we use this phrase hit the road, it doesn't say how you're going to travel. It might be in a car, it might be in a truck, it might be on a horse, it might be walking. Yeah, so to hit the road, to go. Notice as well, though, it could be to continue a journey. So I'd been driving all morning and I started to get tired, so I stopped and slept for a bit, and then I ate something, and then I hit the road again. Yeah, so you can hit the road again. You start traveling again. You start your journey. So it's time to hit the road again. I guess you use this phrase to hit the road, meaning to leave a place, to go and never come back. So when he was 18, he hit the road and left home and never came back again. So began a life of travel, a life of travelling. To hit the road. Hit the road, nobody wants you here. And this is the idea of hit the road, Jack. I think a lady is saying, go away and leave me. I don't want to see you anymore. Yeah, it's time for you to depart, to go away, to go. Very often hit the road as well to begin your journey, particularly to begin a road trip, or even to leave for home. Um, One of the problems with my job is there's a huge amount of traffic between where I live and my place of work, so I have to hit the road very early in the morning. Come on, it's time to hit the road. You could also use the phrase to hit the trail, or even to hit the pavement as well, is to begin a journey, to begin travelling, to smack the road as well, I've even heard. So we've got a really long way to go, so let's hit the road because it's getting late. I think that's the idea of to hit the books, to begin studying. This hit has got this idea of to begin something. So I'd love to stay longer, but I really must hit the road because it's getting late. To begin a trip. So it's been fun, but it's time to hit the road. I must be hitting the road. I've got to leave now. I've got to begin my journey. We're going to have to hit the road very early tomorrow morning. It's time to hit the road and go, to set out on some kind of trip. I guess the origin is the idea of the horse's hooves hitting the road or pounding against the road, or perhaps your feet pounding, hitting the road again. Hit the road, boom, 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 with your feet, and your feet are hitting the road. I'd love to stay and have dinner, but I'd better hit the road. I need to hit the road now before rush hour starts. He was drunk and really unpleasant, so the barman told him to hit the road. Okay, this is an informal idiom. I'd give this 3.5, maybe 4 informality. Use informally. Semi-formal conversation, just about. Semi-formal writing, oof, maybe, but better something more informal. Okay, so, as Ray Charles said, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.